How many times have you thought, have I locked my door? When you're dashing out of the house, sat in an important meeting, or when you've been out for a run. We've all been there. Now with Kubu, you'll never have to worry whether you've locked your door again. Kubu uses smart and simple technology to monitor your lock in real time, alerting your smartphone when you leave your home without locking the front door. Using the simple Kubu app, you'll be able to check the status of your door wherever and whenever you like, receive real-time notifications when anyone enters or exits your door, and schedule notifications for specific days and times. Share doors with your loved ones. Check back through your door history. And ask Amazon Alexa about the status of your doors. The Kubu Smart System is easy to install and takes just minutes. Plug in your home hub, place the module into your existing Kubu-equipped door, and download the Kubu app. Say goodbye to uncertainty and hello to peace of mind. With Kubu, you'll always know the status of your door. Kubu. Be sure it's secure.